Okay, welcome back children. In the last session what I did, do you remember? I think you are not at all watching the videos. So many views are very less. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಬಟ್ the sums which include both subtraction and addition that we will do today. That is, in one sum we can see addition also, then subtraction also. Okay, how to do this? Let us learn today. It is, the heading is subtraction involving both addition and subtraction operations. First we'll add these two. So these are 5-digit numbers. So we'll add first. For that, write the place value chart. So in addition, we did this place value chart, isn't it? First one, yes, it is unit, then tens, then 100, next 1000, next is 10,000, isn't it? 5-digit numbers means the place value starts from unit to 10,000. Now leave one line for carry. This one is for carry, isn't it? While adding, we have to put plus mark also. Now write the given two addition problems. First we write 6. It is in unit place, 8, then 9, 2000's place, and 3 in tens place. Either you can write this first or this one. It is left to you. Okay. Next you write this 7, 5, 4, 2, 2. Okay, children, you have to in addition, you can write either this one plus first one or either this. After you will get the same answer. Okay. Now you add this to first. Yeah. Now 7 plus 6. How much? That is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. So when you get 13, write 3 here and 1 you carry in tens place. Okay. Now 5 plus 8 plus 1. That is 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. Write this 4 here. Then 1 carry to hundreds place. Next 4 plus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is again 14. So write 4 in hundreds place and give 1 carry to thousands place. Okay. Next 2 plus 2 plus 1 carry. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Next 2 plus 3, it is 5. So after adding 22,457 and 32,986, we got 55,443. Okay. In the next column, next is from the answer, whatever we got the sum, from that you have to subtract this. Okay. Now subtract. Okay. Or I write here. Now subtract whatever we have written here. 35,712 from your answer, whatever we got from the sum of 55,443. Okay. from the sum of 55,443. So how do you write this here? That is 443. That means we got this answer after addition minus 35,712. So ಇವೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ 55,443. So from that you subtract 35,712. Again write the place value chart for subtraction also. So first unit, then tens, 100, then 1000, next is 10,000. For borrowing or for regrouping, again one small line, we can say this for borrowing or for regrouping, both are same. Now write down the numbers, that is 55,443. First write 3, next 4, 5,000 place and another 5 in 10,000 place. Okay. Now which has to be subtracted, that don't forget to put minus sign. Write 35,712. 2 is in unit, 1 tens, 7 hundreds. Okay. Next thousands, again 5, 3. Now you subtract this. Okay. 3 minus 2, very simple, it is 1. 4 minus 1, again it is 3, very easy. 4 minus 7, can you subtract 7 from 4? It's not possible because this is small number and this is big number. So what next? Yes, I explained it in the previous class. If it is small number, then borrow 1 which is in thousands place. That is, you cancel 5, make it as 4 and borrow 1,000 from here, write 4 above that. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. Again can you subtract 4 minus 5? It is not possible. So borrow 1 from 10,000 place, it becomes 14 and 1 less means already borrowed here. So if 1 less means it becomes 4. Again 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay children, see the answer for this, that is 22,457 plus 32,986 minus 35,712 is, what is the answer? 19,731. This is the answer. See, in one sum, we involve addition and from that sum, we subtracted the given 5-digit number. Say according to place value, we wrote and we did both type in one sum. Okay, ಈ ಥರನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದೆನ್ ವಿತ್ carry and without carry, and also subtraction means with borrowing or without borrowing. That's simple ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ಸಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, just from this, in this chapter last unit, both the involvement, that is addition subtraction is there. So go through this, it will be a different experience and also you are able to do both in one problem. Okay. So next one. Yes children, we did one sum, no? So let us do another one sum. That is same thing, example 2. 21,679 plus 27,428 minus 4 digit, only 4 digit number, that is 2,438. So first, as I said, we will do addition sum. Okay, write according to place value. First write 9. Okay, 9, 7, 6, which is in 100 place, 1, then 2. Write down the next 5 digit number, 8, 2, 4, 7 and 2. Okay, then 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. So in 17, write 7 here, 1 carry. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, again 10. So write 0 here, give 1 carry. Next, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1 carry, again it is 11. Write 1 here, then 1 give carry. 7 plus 1 plus 1, it is 9. 2 plus 2, it is 4. Okay. So first what we did, always when they give both, first you add. Okay. Then you will get the sum. Now subtract 2,438 from whatever we got here, that is 49 after addition, 49,107. So we will subtract this 2,438 from the sum, whatever we got this. Write according to place value. Write this 7 after subtraction, after addition. This is 21,679 plus 27,428 equals 49,107. This one you write in place value. 7, 0, 1, 9 and 4. Write in 10,000 place. Okay. Now subtraction, only 2,438. So there is no 10,000 place number. Write 8 in unit place, 3 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, then 2 in thousands place. There is no number in 10,000 means leave it like that. Okay, don't write anything. Now can you subtract 8 from 7? No, because 7 is small. So next what we have to borrow from tens place. So it is 10, it becomes 9, then you cancel it. So you already borrowed 1 from here, write this 7 here. 17 minus 8 is 9. Here you borrowed 1, so this one also you cancel, it becomes 0. Now 9 minus 3 is 6, you can't subtract it, cancel this, it becomes 8 and borrow 1, it becomes again 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. Here nothing is there means write 4 as it is. Okay children? Now what is the answer after subtraction? Yes, 46,669. Okay, write the answer. Therefore 21,679 plus 27,428 minus 2,438 equals how much? It is 46,669. Okay, so that much is the answer. Okay, I did 2 sums, isn't it? So at home. You copy this in your notebook also. Okay, try to learn it. Any doubt, you can call me children. So when they give both, first you add it, then you subtract it. Okay, got it? Copy this in your notes. So shall I give you homework? You can try now, children, at home. Yeah. Write us in your homework book or homework portion. Write this. Are you doing homework? I don't know whether you are doing homework or not. See, first one is 26,091, then 47,500 minus 15,491. Okay, first one. Next, second one. Just I'll give you only two sums. 13,499 plus 15,843 minus 7,473, let us say. So these two sums you try at home and write it in your homework book. Okay, see you, bye.